guys, it's Natalie and Lindsay back with another video, and we're still at the set of the Play-Doh. I forgot to open one that I didn't see, I think. Well, Lindsay thinks so. So, which one was it, Lynn? Oh, was it down here?
No!
Oh.
I just put that one there. I didn't know. I forgot. When you feel something hold, pull out.
It's here. I just can't grab it. Okay. I got this one. I think it's like waffles or something. What is it?
I forget.
Okay, so
That's
we
her
forget
name.
the name.
No, I forget. That's her name. She's a fake Shopkin.
I forgot her name. Well, we forgot her. Excuse me. We forgot her name, but yeah, that was
I have this.
just a very quick part.
Show them.
Oh, I can make a bowl out of this. Do you want me to?
I need to shut some others.
So, guys, Lindsay's just checking over to make sure we didn't forget anything.
No. Shut the other one.
Shut the other one, Lindsay.
Oh, here's one. Oh, look what just came out of the unfinished slide. That I just put in there. And here's another shop.
So, guys, I'm just gonna tell you how to make Play-Doh bowls real quick. You just take a bunch of Play-Doh, mix them together, and then you put them in a round thing. And you just make them flat, and I'm just gonna put it somewhere round. Guys, I'll be right back.
I don't know why the door's on down there. I don't know why we're not even watching it.
Okay, guys, so I'm coming back.
And there's something on the unfinished
Here's the
slide.
unfinished one. I think it's Hattie Hat. Is it Hattie Hat? Yep, it's Hattie Hat. So we have another Hattie Hat here. And yeah, so that's it for this video.
And we'll probably do another
And
one.
thanks for watching this, and hope you liked it. Bye.